Everyone is looking for that one secret to ultimate health. And here it is. No, it's not red light therapy. It's fasting. It will do more for your body and brain than any health hack out there. Fasting can last from 16 hours all the way up to many months. It sounds unpleasant, but the benefits you'll get while you're fasted need to be felt to be believed. Here's 3 incredible benefits to tempt you away from the dinner table. Number 1, lose body fat. Eating releases insulin. Insulin is a fat storage hormone which encourages your body to store fat. During a long fast, insulin levels drop, which forces your body to start burning your body fat. Fat makes an incredible energy source for your body, and once you start burning fat, you actually feel super energized and focused. Fasting also increases human growth hormone, which will preserve your muscle mass while burning excess fat. Number 2, heal your body. When your digestive tract is empty and there's no more digesting to do, your body looks for other jobs. Those jobs come in the form of autophagy. This is the process where your cells start to clean themselves up from the inside out. They recycle the parts they can use or just destroy the unusable parts completely. Fasting is a great way to heal old injuries, repair damaged skin, and reduce your risk of illness. Number 3, clear your brain fog. Fasting does amazing things for your brain too. Burning fat produces ketones, which is the type of fuel your brain actually prefers. Fasting also promotes the production of BDNF, which is a crucial protein that promotes brain function and memory. It also gives you sharper focus and mental clarity and reduces oxidative damage in your brain. Skip a few meals and watch your health start to change.